Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Beg with Wordy. Let's learn Arabic with Wordy. Today we will be learning some frequently used terms while learning Arabic. Let's get started. Haraka or harakat. These are the symbols which guide the readers how to pronounce a word correctly. You see something written in Arabic, you see some symbols around the alphabets. Meme has fatha and fa has kasra, something like that. And there are other symbols. For example, there is a fatha, there is a kasra, and then there is dhamma, and then there is tashdid, and then there is jazm. Now let's look at the examples, how these symbols are and how they are read. The word is qasim. Okay, you see qaf has fatha, sin has kasra, and meme has the tanween of dhamma. So how you read it is qasimun. Qa sound with fatha is qa, and sin sound with kasra, si, and then meme with the tanween of dhamma is qasimun. And the word rasulun, here sin has dhamma, and then there is tashdid. Tashdid is where we stress on the letter or hold its sound for a little bit. For example, jawwal, which means mobile phone. Here, wow has tashdid on it, so we stress on it a little bit while reading it. There is tanween of dhamma, kasra, and fatha. We read it with the ending sound of noon. Like if meme has tanween of fatha, we will read it man. And then if meme has tanween of kasra, then we will be reading it min. And if meme has tanween of dhamma, we will be reading it mun. And that's so on with other letters. Okay, next are ismun nakira. Ismun nakira are common nouns, and ismun ma'rifah means proper noun, which we will cover them in details later in next videos. Next are grammatical numbers. In English, there is only either singular or plural. In Arabic, there are three grammatical numbers. First one is wahda, which is singular. Then tathniya, which is two, and then there is plural, which is jama'. Let's look at the example of grammatical number in Arabic, uh, but we will cover the detailed rules later in other videos. Kitab, let's say kitabun is a noun. It means a book because it's singular. And then if we change it into tathniya, which are two nouns, for example, it will be kitabani, which means two books, and then kutubun, which is plural or jama'a in Arabic. Kutubun means more than two books, three books, four books, five books. Ismun jama'a means collective noun. Then there is hamzatul wasl. Hamzatul wasl is, for example, the word iqra has a hamza at the start. It is read. And then there is a hamza of alif lam, which is used to make a common noun a proper noun. Like, for example, kitabun. And if you put alif lam at the beginning, it will be al kitab, which is a proper noun. Al Kitab at the start of the word Al Kitab is Hamzatul Wasl. Because if you put something before Al Kitab, for example, Warakul Kitab, which means page of the book, it will be joined. Qaf will be joined directly to Lam, skipping Hamza, which is called Hamzatul Wasl. It is not read when you connect two words and it exists in between. Next is Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. Rafa means uh, subjective case. And then there is nasab. Nasab is objective case, and jar is prepositional case. For example, kitabun, it's in subjective case because it has two tanween of dhamma at the end. But if we convert it into an objective case, it will be kitaban because it has tanween of fatha at the end on ba, on the last letter. And if there is kitabin, which has tanween of kasra at the end at the last letter ba, it is in prepositional case. All right, guys, that's all for today. We will cover the rules of these terminologies in other videos. All right, that's it for today. We will be seeing you in the next video.